Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how this touch and no touch strategy can make you $100 or even something more in a short while. Okay, so all you have to do is trade with my AI tool that I'm using. The AI tool that I'm using is called Pipboxai. Okay, just let me go back and show you how the tool looks like. So if you log in into the tool, this is how the tool looks like. Okay, and then you're going to click on this left panel here, and then you're going to choose on the touch section. Okay, so I'm just going to continue quickly because I want to show you the strategy that I used and that you can also use to make something and milk the reef. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. Okay, you're going to choose volatility 101s. Okay, that is the volatility that you are going to choose. Okay, and then for your barrier, okay, for the barrier you are going to have it at 0.5, and then your ticks are going to be 5 ticks. Okay, so your stake is your choice, but for this case I've realized that you need to stake high so that you can realize profits. Okay, so in this case, if I stake 25 USD, if I enter a no touch trade, I'm going to be getting a profit of 2.28 USD. Okay, and if I enter a touch trade, I'll be getting a profit of 7.07. It keep on fluctuating. Okay, and it means that for touch trades touch trades have a better profit. Okay, and that means that to get touch trades is very minimal, and that is why I'm going to show you the best strategy that you can use when trading on Pipbox to get the best entries. Okay, so you have to follow that strategy very keenly. So I have already told you that the barrier should be 0.5, the ticks should be 5, and the stake should be high so that you can realize high profits. Okay, so you're going to realize that we have this timer right here. Okay, we are going to use this timer, we are going to use this barrier, this line. Okay, and we are going to use this candle that is forming right here. Okay, I don't know why it's forming. Let us wait for the timer to count down to 0 so that another candle can be opened. Okay, and so that I can show you the strategy. And right away another candle has been opened. Okay, so what are we trading here? We are trading touch and no touch. Okay, the strategy is very simple. We are going to be using this barrier, and you're going to be using this timer, and we are going to be using this candle. Okay, so what is the strategy? Okay, we have this barrier right here. You see the barrier keeps on fluctuating. When the market is bearish, the barrier goes on top. Okay, and when the market is bullish, the barrier comes downside. Okay, so if we are going to be trading a no touch market, okay, a no touch market, that means that by the time our 5 ticks are completed, the price should have not touched our barrier. Okay, I hope you understood me well. If by the time our 5 ticks are counting down, the price should not have touched our barrier. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that practically how I trade. Okay, so you see my stake is 25, and if I enter a no touch trade, I'm going to get a profit of 28.21 in profits. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for a trade opportunity. You can see that this candle is now bullish and the price is trading up above. Let me see if I can enter a trade right there. Let's see. So let me go for a no touch trade. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the number of our candles. Okay, and the candles counted to 5 ticks, and you see we have a profit of 3.50 USD. Okay, and now our candle is counting down. Let us wait for a new candle to form so that we can enter another trade, look for another opportunity. Another candle has formed. Let us wait for the candle to gather more momentum. You see it's still fluctuating, touching our barrier, and now we can enter trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see in 5 ticks we have hit our target, and you see we are up now 6.99 USD. Our timer is still at 34, meaning we can also enter another trade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And another thing that, guys, you see, we are up now, we are up 10 USD. So that is one of the strategy. Okay, that is one of the strategy. Let me show you another strategy that is also very, 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 very important. So guys, here is another strategy. Okay, you see we have this sharp pointed line here. That means that is the last price point price ever reached on our bullish trend. Okay, so anytime price trades above that point, okay, we are going to get some entries, okay, and see if we can hold. So let me adjust my stake right here. Okay, let me adjust my stake and just have it at 5 ticks. And so you see we have that price point. Let's okay, that was very fast, but you see price is still going. Let's see if you're going to hold. Let's see if you're going to, okay, that was a loss. We have that price point from there. Let's go. Okay, let's go and okay, that was a loss. Okay, let's take another trade. Let me increase my stake right there and see if we can recover that loss. Okay, let's wait for price to trade below that point, and yeah, let's get to no touch trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that was a win. Let's go again because price has touched that price point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the strategy, guys. So if you want more strategy, make sure that you check my Telegram channel. I always post strategies there. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so that anytime I drop videos on good strategy, you are not left out. Okay, see you on the next video.